So if you've been in the Granton area, you may well have seen all of the scaffolding that's been erected around the gas holder. You'll see the encapsulation that sits around it, and you'll be thinking, what's going on here? Well, we're storing the structural frame to bring the gas holder back to its former glory.
So we're actually inside the gas holder just now, and just behind me you might hear the banging, which is the inside walls. That was a bell tower that's sunk 11 metres into the ground, being chopped up by a big machine to be taken away for scrap. It's really exciting to be here to see the work that's been anticipated for some time. And you stand up here and look around this area, you see a brand new Granton station building, a new college, a shopping centre, all these new homes being built around about it.
Unlocking this site will mean that we can build around it, have a placemaking destination where people can come and enjoy what Granton will have to offer.
It was a historic part of the city when it provided the city with gas and heat, and it will provide the city with something new and exciting, being one of the newest and best parks in the city.